Hello everyone and welcome to JustLogin's On-Offboarding module walkthrough. The On-Offboarding module is a tool to streamline and enhance the onboarding and offboarding experiences for new hires and resigning employees. The system will help automate manual tasks associated with tracking employees' on-offboarding activities. In this video, we'll quickly guide you through the key features of the On-Offboarding module, showing you how it works and how it can help streamline your onboarding or offboarding process. Let's start. The first step is to configure the on-offboarding workflows by setting up different categories and creating tasks for each category according to your company policies. To do this, you must log in as the administrator or super admin and follow these steps. First, from the main menu, go to On-Offboarding module, then access the configuration page. Then, on Category page, select the tab you're going to set up, either Onboarding or Offboarding. Depending on your company's onboarding and offboarding policies, there could be different sets of interconnected tasks, and using these categories is a way to retain the structure in the system. You must create the categories according to your onboarding and offboarding guidelines. Now, click on the New Category button and then enter the required details. For the category name, you can be specific on how you name the category. The description is optional. You can describe what the category is for. Now, click on the New Task button. This pop-up form will appear for you to fill in the necessary details. The task name is the name of the specific task. The description will describe what the task is for, and you can use these preset tags as well. For the task owners, you can select who you're assigning this task, whether this is for the new joiners or selected employees. For the due date, you can set when this task is due, whether on the join date or a specific date or not applicable. Then, set the Send Reminders option. This is used if you prefer to receive a reminder email. Select whether days before the due date, soon after task is created, or on due date. The Attachments field is where you can attach any documents for reference. Then click Save or Save a New button to save task and create a new one. The tasks that are created should be listed inside the category. And for every task, you should find these action icons. We have Copy, View, Edit, and Delete onboarding task icons. This first icon is to copy or replicate the task. This second icon is to view the details. This third icon is to edit the task. Then this last icon is to delete. Then don't forget to click the Save button to save the category and the tasks associated to it. You can click the back button to view the list of all categories, including the newly created one. And for each category, you will find these action icons: Copy, Edit, and Delete. This first icon is to copy or replicate the category. This second icon is to edit. Then this last icon is to delete the category. Also, by default, the newly created category will be in active status. If you want to deactivate the category, you can just toggle off this icon. Now, if you want to edit the category, just click on the edit icon, and you will be redirected to the page where you can edit the category, then make the necessary changes. For any changes, you must click the Update button at the bottom of the page. And if the category is no longer required, you can delete it by clicking on this Delete button. You can add as many categories and tasks as required, and that would complete the setup part. And that's it for the configuration page. And now, let's proceed to the dashboard page. This will give you easy access to the different sections in the module, all in one place. Let's start with this section, Initiate Onboarding for New Hires. This is where you can assign the specific onboarding or offboarding tasks to the employee. First, you must filter the date for the system to retrieve the employee data based on the join date for new hires and cessation dates for resigning employees within the selected dates. Then, click on the Initiate Onboarding button. It will take you to the page where you need to select the category to use for this employee. You will be able to assign multiple categories, whichever applies to the employee. The set of tasks will be assigned according to the category that you have assigned to the employee. You should also see these action icons: View, Edit, and Delete tasks. If you want to add more tasks for this employee, click this New Task link. Adding a new task here does not affect the master categories and tasks in the configuration, and these new tasks are only created for this specific employee. Once the category and tasks are assigned, you may now click the Initiate Onboarding button for the system to start tracking the progress of the onboarding of this employee. And that is how to initiate onboarding or offboarding process for the employee. Now let's proceed to the next section in the dashboard, which is the To-Do list section. This will show all pending tasks to be completed by you. You can click View to see the task details, or view all tasks in the bottom to see the whole list. Then, this section, Company Tasks. This will show all the in-progress onboarding or offboarding tasks in your company. The progress bar will show the lists of tasks to complete. You can click View to see the task details, or view all company tasks in the bottom. Now, let's proceed to the next menu, which is the Tasks page. The first tab that you will see is the To-Do. This will show your pending tasks to complete, the same list from the To-Do list in Dashboard. Next tab is Company Tasks. This is the same pending list from Dashboard, available to all admins across the company. And you should also see these icons: View, Edit, and Delete. Next tab is the Tasks Overview tab. Then the last tab is the History tab. This will show you the tasks that you have completed. Now let me show you how to complete a task as an assignee or task owner. Please note that completing a task is for the person assigned as task owners. These task owners are not necessarily the admins. First, find the task assigned to you. This may be under To-Do or Company Tasks for admins. Then click on the View button. A pop-up form will appear and will show you the details of the task. Here, you can also add a comment before updating the status of the task. Then, to update the task status, you must click on the Mark as Complete button. And once you have completed the set of tasks, the dashboard will show the progress as completed. This will also be reflected in your to-do list or company tasks, and the task will be updated with a green check icon beside it. And that's how to complete a task in Offboarding module. We hope that this video now gives you a better understanding of how to use the Offboarding module. That would be all for the Offboarding module walkthrough. Thank you for watching.